I think it's important for us guys to communicate with our wives, because I used to communicate with them with mfethu, because one thing about women love food.
Yeah.
And if they find a guy that can cook nice food, it's easy
for
them to fall in love. You understand? So I used, a lot of women used to come and flirt with me, and when I got home, I'm gonna tell her, such and such situations are happening, but don't worry, I handled it nice. And we young Temba, I think that's one thing. Like we young Temba, she knows umuntu wami is a family man, Yeah. So trust is very important.
I like that.
Yeah, because before that, I used to go to Cape Town for like 2 months or a month.
When's that?
Photograph.
Yeah.
So there was a time where I used to tour a lot. Durban, Cape Town, Mpumalanga. So like.
Do you want to go back there though?
No.
Do you want to? I'm worried about you because you mentioned this PR thing. I was like, this guy, he can make many streams. He can make many streams of income, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, come back.
No, I don't mind finding new streams of income there.
Sorry. Yes.
Thanks. Yeah. But then, entertainment, I feel like I've outgrown it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I've outgrown it. If only I'm going back to the studio thing and stuff, but touring with the band, Sahamba, Cape Town, Durban, I be samba kakhulu, man. Samba kakhulu. So I feel like I'm a family man, so I prefer being closer to family and raising my kids, because that travula kakhulu,
you lose steps again with growth yabantwana bakho. I get what you mean. And then if someone what's it right now, mina yazini ngifuna yakusibindi man, ngifuna ngifundise the way bekayishaya ngakhona le bese hate isibindi, ngifuna ngifundise ama ingredients. Are you open to that?
Yeah, I've taught a lot of guys.
Okay.
Guys already, to more than 5 guys.
Ukamu is part of them.
No, Kamu didn't. He might have got the idea from, but he didn't come to me and say, "Doc, can you teach me this?" Yeah, he was already, I think he knew how to make this kind of stuff, But but his I know I inspired him. Yeah, I know I've inspired a lot of businesses like us, man. And the guys used to come with your fit. I wouldn't mind, Mina ngithatha umuntu ngenayi la ngisitoka khona. Ngimbonisa i-connection yami angithi uyazephusha
connection. Of course.
Ngimbonisa ukuthi uma ufikile uzokhuluma naloya muntu, you understand? These are the spices you need to buy.
Marinate wakho.
You understand the sauce. Okay, this is how you talk to customers. This is how you treat customers. Because it also depends on how you treat people,
And you know how important it is ukuthi mina mangizothenga.
Yeah.
And ngi-regular customer yakho. Ngifuna ungibize ngegama. You know how important it is. Be like, yo ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyazi usibindi man. Baningi abantu but he see me.
Yeah, that's true. Because I realized nginalento leyo ukuthi like unegama lakho you already have a nickname. But I'm going to give you my own nickname.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So people like that. Ubona umuntu mawumpha the nickname lakhe like mawumbiza ngalo yabona uyajabula, you understand? So yeah. The way you treat people, mfethu. But nonetheless, if anyone wants to come through mfethu, want to learn how to do this food business thing, me, I'm game. I'm teaching anyone, mfethu, I've already taught guys. I think into nje ebakawatayo, the guys that I've taught. Yeah, consistent.
Nesitoko uthola ukuthi utholile imali udle profit awazi ukuthi fanele udle profit wena sewuthatha ilentozana yonke.
So mfethu idiscipline yemali grand sharp. Yeah, ebhizinisini kufuneka idiscipline yemali because it's easy to spend money.
Yeah.
And
it's hard to make it.
It's hard to make it. you know, because I can easily go and work and come back, and then the wife says, "Kushota 1, 2, 3, 4." I have the money, you know. So discipline is you being able to say, we can't do that now. You know,
we need to budget.
Yeah, let's budget. You know, that's why a very matured partner is important when you start a business. You know, that's why you see most of these billionaires, when they divorce their wives, the wife takes most of the thing, because even the guy knows, like for Bill Gates, for example, he knows his wife played a huge role in him being Bill Gates.
I love what you're saying.
You understand? So that's why they don't mind. The wife is gonna take everything. You understand? So yeah, you need to have an understanding partner, man, and someone who sees the same way you see yourself. Akubone better 10 times better. I understand. Your head is down. You're like, today we better. You know.
Also motivate.
Yeah. So you need that kind of partner, fit.
Nokhona ukuthi mamnikeze i500 wathi akayothenga into so okhona ukufihla 50 rand the day kubhedile kwathi baby bengilokho bamba yazi bengilamali bulokho nginika yona bengingasave 200
because ngithi ngiyarana ukuthi insurance, you know, you need to have that insurance savings that you have. You call it insurance, they are saving, because you never know what's going to happen. You know, I mean, lockdown, if I wasn't saving before lockdown, bengizoba depressed in lockdown. Because it got to a point ukuthi mayithi 6 angithi sengijwayele ukuthi malanga amashona singaqala ngipheka amapapa nala. Mayithi 6 angisakwazi nokuhlala esofeni. Like umzimba ujwayele ukuba
and lockdown you can't go
can't go anywhere uyakuthola. So angikhona ukulala. Thola ukuthi ngizolala ngo4 or ngo5
because of umzimba ujwayele leyo nto.
Umzimba ujwayele ukuthi mina ngiyaphuma ebusuku no matter what. So you know, a lockdown mayifika mfethu, if I didn't have my savings, kube ngisingaba seflopini, you know.
When did you move out of Ekasi?
October bengenza 1 year, which means it's bengenza 2 last year. Yeah, it's either 1 or 2 years back.
And then ushebane emzini kababakho?
It's just tenants.
Okay.
So I tended mina khanga fika kumkhukhu.
Yeah,
Thamalamba lihlala emkhukhwini. So I tented mkhukhu and made rooms.
Wow.
So sekwama room ura ejardini.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done, man. I'm so proud of you. And then Manje, what was the reason for you to move out, Ekasi?
Ekasi, toxic. I'm sorry to say that.
I'm listening. Don't apologize. Don't apologize, because how I view Ekasi, it's different from how you're experiencing it. It's different from other people. Other people, they don't even want to go. So that's how that's your experience. Don't be apologetic.
So I felt like Ekasi toxic, and then my wife was like, "Yeah."